you are facing your left. You have your left foot forward. Both poi are overhand. Then you take your both hands in overhand same time, and you pull the skirt back behind your butt and turn 180 degrees here to the right. Then you come up and over the top. Now, that's doing it as two separate movements, where you come this way, and then you come this way, and there may be any number of circles in between, like 1, 2, and then I flip it, and then 1 and 2 and 3, and I flip it, or there may be 4. You can then, over time, reduce the number of circles so that you go 1 and 1 and 1, at which point you'll notice I'm now looking forward and I'm shifting my weight more than turning my body. But I would say start with the simple version. Now, the places where you can tighten it up are as follows. Your low part is pretty good. If you look at it from the side though, you'll notice your hands are like out here. So what you want to try and do is imagine you have a stick sticking out that's like 6 inches and you're grabbing the stick and turning. Similarly, when you're coming up over the top, your hand is going really high, as if you have to extend the hand the full way. Do the thumbs up and let your hands hit your shoulder before you come down. So those two things will tighten it up. Okay, yeah, your underhand. Now what I want you to try and do on this one is actually stick your thumbs up. And I want you to try and hit your shoulder with your thumbs as you come over the top. So the metaphor with the skirt, imagine your hands are really tight to your body, pulling that skirt back. So if you were to look at me this way, you'll see it's close in. Right, so I'm close in to the side. So come out, let the skirt come undone, and now you're here and you're chill, and you thumbs up and you turn. And then you wait and you're chill, and then you pull the skirt back. And you wait and you're chill, and your thumbs up and turn. So the sweep back is the low part of the chasing the sun. It's this part here, so that you're underhand. And then the sweep up to pinwheel is, instead of turning the full 180 degrees, you turn 90 degrees and then go back to front, back to front, back to front.